What stops University of Limpopo to have been funded, infrastructure, everything, research, everything intentionally, and put it in the same level as University of Pretoria? What stopped Fort Hare to have been supported and improved to be at the same level as Rhodes? Why? But it has collapsed from where it was before 94 to be a shadow of its former self. When you go to Fort Hare, you will be in class in a university. There is a cow looking at you in the window. At university, you will be walking to lectures, you are walking on top of a cow dung, or there's a goat in the lecture room. That's how divorced with reality with these people that we call our parents.